Can we live on our planet without destroying it? This pressing question challenges us to rethink how we use Earth's resources. With a population of 8 billion, our consumption patterns are pushing the planet to its limits. But is there a way to adapt our lifestyles to ensure sustainability? Our current lifestyle demands vast amounts of land, water, and other resources, often in unsustainable ways. Klaus Hubacek, a professor of science, technology, and society, highlights the urgency of this issue. He emphasizes that our consumption patterns significantly impact the environment, as evidenced by the rising carbon dioxide levels contributing to global warming. In 2009, scientists identified 9 planetary boundaries to gauge Earth's capacity to support human activity. These boundaries include ocean acidification and freshwater use. Alarmingly, by 2023, 6 of these boundaries had already been crossed, threatening Earth's stability. Hubacek's research focuses on how humanity is performing against these boundaries, and what changes are necessary to prevent further transgressions. A stark divide exists between the world's richest and poorest populations. The wealthiest 1% produce 50 times more greenhouse gases than the bottom 50%. Hubacek's work, published in Nature, explores this disparity. His analysis of 201 consumption groups across 168 countries reveals how spending patterns contribute to environmental degradation. If the top 20% of consumers adopted more sustainable habits, their environmental impact could decrease by up to 53%. Hubacek's research suggests that altering consumption patterns, particularly in food and services, can help restore planetary boundaries. For instance, reducing red meat consumption in wealthier regions could cut food-driven emissions by 17%, even if poorer nations increase their meat intake. His studies also highlight the livestock sector's significant role in transgressing planetary boundaries, advocating for region-specific solutions. Hubacek argues that many existing solutions remain underutilized. He stresses the importance of implementing these solutions rather than creating new ones. For example, global fossil fuel subsidies often negate the benefits of carbon pricing. Hubacek points out inconsistencies in policies, such as promoting heat pumps while increasing electricity costs, which hinder progress towards sustainability. Despite the potential for humanity to stay within planetary boundaries, Hubacek notes a lack of political will to address climate change. This inaction causes concern, particularly among younger generations. Hubacek emphasizes the need for evidence-based policies to drive meaningful change. His work is rooted in academic interest, aiming to provide solutions that are both practical and impactful. In conclusion, while the challenges are significant, Hubacek's research offers hope. By understanding and respecting planetary boundaries, adopting sustainable consumption patterns, and implementing effective policies, we can work towards a future where we live in harmony with our planet.